I'm so happy to see you guys today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to try to achieve an innocent glam makeup look. If you want to know more about it, please keep on watching. I have already prepped my face and applied foundation. Therefore, let's jump right into the eye makeup for this particular look. For the eye makeup look, you basically need 3 eyeshadows, 1 shimmer and 2 matte. I'll be using a nude shimmer eyeshadow all over my eyelids, followed by a pink color along my crease line. And I'll be using the same eyeshadow along my waterline. I'm just using any other regular brown eyeshadow and stamping it only at the corner of my eye. Last but not least, apply any bright eyeshadow color near the tear duct to open up your eyes. Like so. And use a nude eyeshadow pencil if you have inside your waterline. After you've done applying the nude eye pencil along your waterline, curl your eyelashes and apply more than 1 coat of mascara. As you can see, the false eyelashes has dramatically changed this eye makeup look. We're not gonna apply any eyeliner because we're just gonna keep it very minimalistic and very flirtatious. I'll be lightly contouring my face. After you guys are done contouring, use any blush that you have. I will be using the same blush that I showed you guys before. Apply some blush on the tip of your nose to give that flush of color throughout your face. The look is almost coming to an end. To finish up this doll-like glamorous makeup look, I will be using a neon pink lip color in order to pull this look together. You can use any pink color that you have and swipe it across your lips generously. The final step for this particular makeup look is to generously apply highlighter all over your high points of your face. I'll be using a peach tone highlighter. This perfectly complements my skin tone. I'm very happy on how this look turned out to be. I'm living for this neon pink lip color. I will for sure come up with more makeup videos where I will be sporting this neon lip color. I hope you guys like this particular tutorial. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye guys.